EMOplay!
In this EMOskittles game, you and your play therapist each have one card, one dice, and a bowl of Skittles. Take turns rolling the dice. Find matching emotion on your card, and place one Skittle on it. If rolled emotion is already covered, roll again. Or if you can't find the matching emotion, roll again. First, to complete a line that is vertical, horizontal, or diagonal, shouts, EMOskittles. Want to eat the Skittles? Express a feeling of yours. For example, I feel excited because I am going to eat many Skittles today. Have fun exploring feelings together.